Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
NFT sales will fund the restoration of physical monuments in Ukraine. The NFT will not stop Russian missiles, but it offers a way for Ukraine to develop as an innovation-friendly country and to rebuild its economy, said Alexander Borganov. The Ukraine the government will be using the first sales from an online non-fungible token or NFT museum to restore artwork in the real world. According to a Friday announcement and information shared with Telegraph, Ukraine's Ministry of Culture and Information Policy said the government support Meta History Museum of War platform aimed at preserving the timeline of major events in Russia war with Ukraine. Raised 800.28 Ether ATH, roughly 1.3 million USD at the time, through NFT sales. The ministry said process from the sale will go toward the restoration of Ukraine cultural institutions, many of which have been damaged or destroyed by missile attack from Russia. During the 6 months of the war in Ukraine, the Russians destroyed hundreds of our museums, theaters, and cultural institutions, said Alexander Tekto, Ukraine Minister of Culture and Information Policy. Ukrainian culture and national heritage have been damaged by almost 6 billion euros, and judging by the actions and intentions of the Russian Federation, this figure will only increase. Alexandro Bortyanov, Deputy Minister of Digital Transformation of Ukraine for Information Technology Development, with the, with the support of the Ukrainian government, a non-profit launched the Meta History Project in March. 1 month after the first missile struck Ukrainian target in the ongoing conflict, while the 1.3 million USD will go toward aid for Ukraine, a platform launched by the government that accepts crypto donation to support the people in the fight for freedom. The Ministry of Culture and Information Policy has said the fund will be used for restoration rather than supply for the nation military. UNESCO, the agency behind many of the world's heritage, said, based on their significance to history, nature, and art, reported that as of Sunday, 164 cultural sites in Ukraine had been partially damaged or destroyed as a result of the war with Russia. This includes 72 religious sites, 12 museums, 32 historic buildings, 24 buildings for cultural activities, 17 monuments, and 7 libraries. This repeated attack on Ukraine cultural site must stop, said UNESCO Director General Audrey Oslo in June. Cultural heritage in all its forms should not be targeted under any circumstances. Since the beginning of the war with Russia in February, Ukraine government has raised more than 100 million USD in crypto donations sent directly to wallet address provided by the Ministry of Digital Transformations. According to Aid for Ukraine, crypto donations go toward supplying the country.
So, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.